signal interest to the program that yes, I am interested in you? How will you do that? A lot of programs conduct open house. These are webinars before the math season. Explain about their program, make you interact with the current residents. Attend those open houses. Targeted email communication. Send them relevant emails. It is called a letter of interest. I'm highly interested in your program. What can I do? And if you are an applicant who is applying few years in advance, great. Tell them if there is an opportunity for observership or research at your program. Try doing some exposure in that program. Your personal statement will play a very, very big role. And finally, leverage faculty connections. Why clinical rotation is important? Because you get letter of recommendation from American faculties. And these faculties are really helpful. Believe me, the American faculties, unfortunately, are far, far, far more helpful than a lot of faculties in our Indian medical college, okay? So if you are going to be honest about the process and if you are going to be genuine about your journey, many of them go really far to help you. Okay, so this is very important. Why do some people with the same score match, but others don't? Very important question, you know. I always get, last year my friend with the same marks matched, this year I didn't get matched. But obviously, we are all human beings, we have feelings, we have emotions, and there is a personalized touch which makes the journey different. So you cannot compare. I see a lot of people after match post in Facebook, XYZ marks, I didn't get match. XYZ marks, I got match. And then people start either blaming themselves or cursing themselves or maybe consider themselves lucky. Don't compare and assume things. I will tell you the basic mantra for success. You need to persevere. You are never selfish with your advice or help. Connect with as many people as you can and look for advice, look for help, but ultimately never give up. There are 20 people telling you it's impossible, but that one person who is going to give you help, going to support you, just go with him. It is very, very important to get, demotivated and giving up at any point of time in your journey. But people who have succeeded are the ones who were very stubborn, that they really want to success. So your success is determined by your mindset. What I've observed over a period of time, especially in the Indian med school, okay, you require growth mindset moreover than your performance mindset. In India, people just want to be toppers every time. What is happening with your performance mindset? Challenges make you anxious. You want to avoid failure. No, you cannot fail. If I fail this year, what will my society say? What will my relatives say? What will parents say? No, my abilities determine everything. Otherwise, I will give up. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to say you, but there was a case where a student actually committed suicide. Can you believe it? Do not do that. Do not have this performance anxiety and performance mindset. That is not going to help you. You need to be very, very careful about your thinking, your psychology, especially in this COVID world. Have a growth mindset. Instead of, I am not good at this, I give up. No. Try thinking, what am I missing? What different strategy can I use? Is this the really best version of my CV? How can I improve? No, this is too hard. No. Rather than that, this may take some time, but I will improve. I made a mistake. I goofed up. That's okay. Mistakes help me learn. So my point is, if your mindset and attitude is clear, success is yours. But if you are just going to, compare people's journey, it's going to be very difficult.